Welcome to English Card. We'll discuss linking phrases and words. In this video, we're going to discuss linking words that show contrast. Now, this class of linking words is extremely important for IELTS writing. Usually, when you see one of these words in a sentence, it means that the first part of the sentence is in sharp contrast with the second. So make sure you keep your eyes and ears open for these words in your IELTS listening and IELTS reading. You can also use these yourself in IELTS writing to improve the flow and coherence of your sentences. A few such words are although, nonetheless, nevertheless, even though, however, though, yet, despite, in spite of, on the other hand, on the contrary, whereas, but, still, and while. And that's all for this video.
Christ Village.